Welcome this video title Enhance Your Gardening with Create Panel Idea. Introducing a well-designed bench not only add a touch of charm to your gardening but also several substantial purposes like define boundary, providing privacy and protecting your plan while that are plan of pro-made funds other available that the do it yourself appearing allow you to infuse your personally and create into your gardening space. We will explore unique fun idea to transforming your gardening into a have of beauty and functional palette fencing palette often discarding and left to wash can be proper into a rustic and front panel simple disassemble of purple and arrange the board vertically or harmonium depend on your professing start and pointing the palettes to match your gardening theme. Create an charm bomb mosaic tile panel. Turn your gardening panel into a work of art by incorporating mosaic tile. Break old tile into simple price and arrange theme in a palette on the panel fence growing a tile on screen theme into place and for the profess. This project add a bloom of color and textile to your outdoor space. Embark on a fun project of your gardening allow you to alert your create while enhance the functional of your outdoor space whether you have of processing material like